Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Academy Glintstone Staff, easy method. Equip the staff, set your primary spell, and test casts in a safe area to learn timing. Practice light and charged R2 sequences while observing enemy recovery windows and spacing. Use a flask or ashes between engagements to recover and refine rhythm. Swap talismans to boost cast speed or FP efficiency, and focus on consistency over flashy plays. Positioning matters more than raw power when using the Academy Glintstone Staff. Stay mobile and bait single attacks before committing to a charge cast, and always watch for enemies that close gaps quickly. Use obstacles to block line of sight and create safe windows for long casts, and prioritize strafing around slow foes to punish cooldowns. A patient playstyle keeps you alive and lets you land high-value spells consistently in fights. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy guides. On another note, quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a smart, clean companion with voice control that keeps your play area tidy while you grind spells. It even maps rooms for efficient runs. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if it fits your life, and now let's get back to the video. Build a loadout that supports repeated casts without starving FP mid-fight. Combine quick, low-cost sorceries for chip damage with a single powerful spell for stagger windows, and carry a melee backup for when enemies close. Equip talismans that reduce cast time or increase FP, and optimize flask allocation for longer fights. Practicing spell cadence until it feels natural will make transitions between magic and melee smooth and reliable in encounters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.